Presenting the DJI OSMO Pocket Handheld 3-axis gimbal stabilizer with integrated camera. The lightweight and compact design with a comfortable grip allows you to carry it with you easily. The OSMO Pocket camera is equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The gimbal is accurate and quick and comes with features like selfie mode and active track to precisely capture movements to create stunning videos. The DJI OSMO is capable of capturing 4K 60 videos and 12 megapixel photos. In Pro mode, you can manually control settings like exposure, ISO and shutter speed. You can also capture time-lapse, motion-lapse and panorama shoots. With DJI Mimo app, you can create videos and edit with templates, filters, music and watermark stickers. Story mode uses a combination of preset shooting patterns and camera motions to help you create professional quality video whenever you want. Inside the box, you will find the OSMO Pocket, power cable, smartphone adapter and a cover. This product comes with 256 GB memory card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.